Hey, it's Jay's to-do list here. I've got my laser honeycomb. It's super clogged up and air's not going through it. Just want to show you the quick and easy way to get that cleaned out. Here, I'll show you a video of what I'm talking about. So there's my honeycomb. You see it's about 50% clogged. And here's after I clean it. We've got it probably about 90%. I'll show you what I'm doing. It's really simple. Get your pressure washer out. Get your pressure washer out, get it all cleaned up, and you'll probably, I know we're gonna have a lot of people say, hey Jay, that's raw iron, that might rust. Well, I'm going to about throw this honeycomb in the trash anyways and get a new one if I can't get it unclogged. So let's go ahead and save the money and get it cleaned out. If it rusts, and we'll snot out anything but a little bit of time and some water. So thanks for watching. Stay delish. Have a great day.